my channel. Today, my mom and my brother and my dad are going fishing, and I am going to go to a babysitter. Subscribe and like. I do not know what to say next. But... Okay. So we're all in one car. Look! It's snowing. It's snowy. Wait, is snowy even a word? No, it's a name. Yeah, it's a name. Snowy is a name. Get my bangs out of my face. You go. No. Okay. Oh. I do not like my bangs. Mom.
Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going fishing. Hopefully we're gonna catch a fish. I'll show you later, guys.
Hopefully.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. We're heading to the Max Hames. Hi, my husband, my CJ. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Now, I'm gonna show you. It's outside. It's a little bit snow.
I hit 313 likes on TikTok. And this morning I had something 2 followers.
To those who haven't subscribed, you guys can subscribe to Fil-Can Paint Vlog. And thank you to all the viewers. We're gonna put some video later about fishing, how to catch fish, big fish. Okay guys, stay tuned. See you later. Chilly. We're preparing now. Woo. Woo. It's getting chilly, eh? Woo. Okay. You have to push down.
No, already hurts. It hurts.
Well, that's helmet is fit for daddy. So you mean you have a bigger, daddy have a bigger head than you?
Yeah, but
It's supposed to be like that, not because it's loose, then it's no good. Daddy said the helmet is too small for him. Broke already? Oh, that's for me?
yeah, it's for you. I'm so tall. Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah, no, Joey didn't fit it.
yeah. Okay. There's the guy there. He's getting busy. Fit?
I feel like the Master Chief from Halo.
Don't forget your gloves.
Okay, I gotta take this off.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
sure. I think I don't need to wear a helmet, Dad, but I have this one. I have like what do you call it one? Like Big lake.
Mom, it looks like a
Huh? Where are you? Taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought you were taking a picture. Now you got to